The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And I hope that everyone is okay and well and having the best of New Year's. Alright? Now viewers and subscribers, there's reports out there about a female that had been shot and killed in the parish of Manchester, that is of the country of Jamaica. Alright? This said to have happened on the 31st of December 2019, right? That is on New Year's Eve, right? Now, it is said that this had happened sometime after 6 p.m. in the town of Mandeville, where the female had been in somewhat of an argument or dispute with a person that is said to be her lover, or it is said that the person is considered to be her lover. Alright? And the argument, or you could say the dispute that had been happening between the two persons, it is said that it escalated to the point where the male drew a gun and shot the female, killing her. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, there's also speculations out there that the male might have committed suicide, right? And that is the person that's said to have shot the female. Yeah, there's words out there or speculations out there said that he might have committed suicide. However, viewers and subscribers, there is no confirmation of that. At least to my knowledge, there's no confirmation of that. However, you can check the comment section and I'll keep you up to date and posted if there's any more information about this incident. Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, there is a video footage that is out there on social media, a very short video footage that shows a little of the scene of the incident. You know what? It shows just a little, and I'm going to show you, my viewers and subscribers, this little video footage. However, for those who might not like to see certain things like this, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
Life to fire on that man, see you there, man.
Alright viewers and subscribers, well there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. And there is reports out there that says that a female had been shot and killed by a person that is considered to be her lover, and this said to have happened in Mandeville, that is of the parish of Manchester, and that is of the country of Jamaica, on New Year's Eve. It's said to have happened on the 31st of December 2019. Alright? Yeah, so let me know what you think about something like this, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Oh no, big up on yourself.